Hello boys and girls, I hope everything is okay for you. So today is Friday and you have 4 pages from Kids Wonder activity book and 2 pages for your weekend worksheet. And on your weekend worksheet there is a number and it's number 2. So you can find, when you look at the number, you can do. So, for Kids Wonder activity book, you have 4 pages, as I say to you. And these are 27, 28, 29, and 30. So, let's start with Kids Wonder firstly. This is page 27. So, remember that we have a story. It's a pirate story. And this page is about, and again, this story. So it's written that who might have said the following things according to the pirate story. Right. So there are some characters in the story like Pirate Pete, Polly, Red Parrots, Parrots, and Dolphin. And as you see, there are some speech bubbles here, like, welcome to my island. Remember that. Who said it? Or who can say this sentence in a story? So choose, decide, and write the name under that speech bubble. And the exercises and the other exercises goes on like this. So we will read the speech bubble and decide who said or who can say this in a pirate story. Now, on that page 28, first there are some WH questions like who, what, which, why. They are WH questions and you can write full sentence, not just a word or not just yes, no answers. You will answer these questions according to the story. So it's your turn again. It's your turn. Change the ending of the story and rewrite. So you have to write a different ending, like start here, the beginning, and it's going like this. So starting, middle, and this ending. So stage by stage, you're gonna start the story. After that, you will end the story. So the story starts like this. Red Parrot stopped at a tree. Pete and Polly stop at a tree. Tree 2. They looked at their map again. There was a treasure box under the tree. You know, treasure box? It can be a necklace or bracelet, rings, maybe earrings, maybe golds. They are treasure. And there's a treasure box. So just imagine what's next, what's happening after that. So you will write the different ending. So on page 29 there is another story, and the story is the 3 bears. You know bears? Bear is an animal and it's very strong animal. So read and complete the 3 bears story. So there are some words you can use and there are some blanks. You will fill these blanks with these words. And it's your turn again. You're the baby bear. You're the baby bear. So write his diary about the day. And it starts with Dear Diary. Do you know what is a diary? Diary is a notebook and you're writing on the diary what you did, or what you felt, or what you thought about your day. For example, today is Friday, and Friday's finished, or on this Friday night, on this Friday evening, you write on your diary, like, dear diary, today we watched TV, or we play a game and it was, for example, Monopoly, blah 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 blah. See you tomorrow. This is the diary. It means what you did on a day, on that day. And it's a diary. So you will be a baby bear and you will write about the day. And the last page is 30. And there is a chart you can see, and there are some action words there in past form, and we will put these verbs into that correct column here. Like, first one is the, second one is t, and the other one is ed. So you will read the verb, and what you hear, the sound, you will write the correct column, like wanted, d. Right? So it's written on that first column. So these pages finished, and I explained to you these 4 pages. And now I think we can move to your weekend worksheet. And you can see there is a number 2. So part 1 here, read the text and circle the answers. You will circle the answers, but firstly you will read the text. After that, circle the correct answers according to the questions. Part 2, write the comparative and superlatives. Here you will write here the comparative ones, and you will write here the superlative ones. Remember that when we use comparatives, we are talking about 2 things. It can be 2 animals, it can be 2 schools, 2 people, and like this. For example, the monkey is smaller than a giraffe, because this giraffe is, bigger than the monkey. But if we talk about 3 or more things in a group, and if we find the star in a group, it means superlative. And it's like, for example, I'm talking about 3 animals. For example, that was a mouse, cat, and what was it? And the lion. When I said which one is the most dangerous animal, you will say lion is the most dangerous animal of all, because we find the star, right? So it goes on like this. You will write this part for comparative and write this for part for superlative. And the next part, part 3, read, choose and write the correct word. You will read this text and choose the correct word. And the last part, part 4, read and write T for true or F for false. The last part, here you will read the sentence and write T for true and F for false. Okay, have a nice weekend. Goodbye.